Getting into CNC work can be pretty intimidating. I remember my first time looking at all the specs. It felt like learning a new language. I wanted to save you that headache, so I bought and tested 5 of the most popular CNC machines on the market right now to see which ones actually cut metal and which ones are just fancy paperweights. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to upgrade your workshop, I've put these through the ringer to help you decide. Let's get into it. Product number 1, Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro. First, let's talk about the Genmitsu 3018 Pro. When I pulled this out of the box, it felt like a classic hobbyist kit, but the assembly was surprisingly easy. Unlike older models, the components sort of snap into place without needing manual positioning, so I didn't have to stress about alignment. I ran some test cuts on wood and acrylic, and the upgraded power adapter handled the 20,000 RPM spindle easily. I didn't even have to mess with the code to get it up to speed. It's stable for its size thanks to that raised base height, but keep in mind the working area is compact at roughly 300 by 180 millimeters. It runs on GRBL software, which is industry standard, so finding help online was a breeze when I got stuck. If you're just dipping your toes into CNC and want to learn without spending a fortune, this is your best starting point. Product number 2, 4040 Pro CNC Router. Moving on to something with a bit more muscle, here is the 4040 Pro. The difference in build quality is immediate. This thing is built on a sturdy all-metal frame. I really appreciated that most of it came pre-assembled. I literally had it up and running in under 20 minutes. The real standout here is the 500W spindle. When I pushed it through some harder wood, it didn't bog down like the smaller motors do. The workspace is much larger too, at about 16 by 16 inches, which gave me the freedom to tackle bigger signs and projects. I also noticed the dust baffle actually works. It kept debris away from the moving parts better than I expected. Plus, having that emergency stop button right on the control box made me feel a lot safer. Grab this if you need a reliable, mid-sized machine that is incredibly easy to set up. Product number 3, Lunny 3018 Pro Ultra. Then I tested the Lunny 3018 Pro Ultra. This machine takes the small form factor but beefs it up significantly. Holding the frame, you can tell it's designed for rigidity. They upgraded the X-axis to HGH 15 linear guides, and that made a huge difference in my testing. Usually desktop CNCs have this annoying wobble on the Z-axis, but this one remained rock solid. I tried engraving some brass and 6061 aluminum, and the 500W spindle cut through it cleanly without that chatter you usually hear. The aluminum plate platform is also a nice touch. It's one solid piece, so my material sat perfectly flat, and the integrated power supply meant I had way less wiring mess on my desk. They even include a heavy-duty clamp kit. This is the one to get if you want to do serious metal engraving on a smaller scale. Product number 4, Foxalion Masuder 3S. Next, I looked at the Foxalion Masuder 3S. This machine feels incredibly refined. The first thing I noticed while running a job was how smooth it is. It uses these closed-loop stepper motors, which basically means if the machine hits a snag, it corrects itself instead of ruining your project. I cranked the speed up to 10,000 min, and it kept up without losing steps. The 400W spindle is powerful enough for soft metals, but what I really liked was the dual linear rails on the Z-axis. It gave me precision down to 0.05. It's also quieter than the others thanks to the steel wheel pulley system. The controller box is great too, with actual buttons for quick actions like homing. If you want a machine that is fast, precise, and offers a large work area for serious creativity, this is a fantastic option. Product number 5, CNC Router 4030 Evo Ultra 2. Finally, we have the beast of the bunch, the 4030 Evo Ultra 2. This isn't just a hobby toy, it feels semi-industrial. It comes with an 800W trim router right out of the box, not just a spindle motor. I threw everything at this, aluminum, brass, thick hardwoods, and it ate them up. That means the rigidity is on another level. I was getting incredible precision because there's virtually no play in the mechanics. It runs on the latest GRBL firmware and has built-in Wi-Fi, so I could control it from my tablet, which is super convenient. If you are ready to move past the hobby phase and want professional-grade cuts and serious power, this is absolutely the machine to buy. Honestly, CNC machining is a massive rabbit hole, but picking the right tool makes the learning curve way less painful. I've dropped links to all 5 of these in the description below so you can check the current prices and see more specs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.